Hello, my friends. Hello. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Mr. Blue Trades channel where we trade live every fucking day. So, we are scalping, we are testing out this indicator that we have designed. It works on SMC, smart money concept. So, basically, indicator is a tool coded to give us buy and sell signals. So it has given us a buy signal on BTC 5 minutes. So let's buy then. Let's go back to. Okay, we're gonna open BTC perp. Let's buy $100 worth of it. We should always set our stop losses. Generally, the previous swing a little bit lower than previous swing because people get stopped out very often. Because that's where people place their stop losses at. Well, that's too much of a loss, man. I cannot take more than this. Hey man, Jihan Irfan. How are you, brother? क्या हो गया इसके यार? Okay, you're buying, bro. That's good, man. So, what is your target on BTC? What are you targeting? I'm just scalping, by the way. I'm not targeting anything. I'm just targeting this EMA retest, this 200 EMA retest on 4-hour chart. As of now, I don't have a long-term bias. Hey, nice to see you too, my friend. So where are you from? Which country? And do you trade, my friend? Do you trade on a daily basis? Do you invest? What's your strategy? And how is it working for you? I think my internet connection is not very good today because I'm using VPN. Oh my god, the internet connection is horrendous. Okay, you from Pakistan and Dubai. Man, I'm sure things are amazing in Dubai related to crypto. Dubai is very friendly in terms of crypto. So I was just testing out this indicator that I've designed with one of my friends. Oh my god, the internet is not working well today, mom. Okay, you trade swing sometimes thrice a week. That's good, mom. I think overall, swing traders beat scalpers because scalping is it doesn't depend on news. It's just basically gambling on whether it's gonna go up or down. But yeah, some people have their own concepts. Like these days, smart money concept they use order blocks, FVGs. Like I'm trying to use with this indicator. So this fucker said you should buy, so I bought. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see if this indicator works out. Hey, if you're a trader, my friend Jahan, consider joining my community, my TG community. So I'm building a traders community where I just want to bring all people together, all the traders together, and in the long run, we're going to provide all the advanced tools to trade because to have the edge in the market, you have to have advanced softwares. You know, you have to have dedicated mathematicians and statistical modeling to beat the big hedge funds and all those people who have invested heavily in their trading strategy. While ago, so this is all higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, structure, man. Yeah, just trade the structures, higher highs, higher lows. So you entered at 2075, yeah. Let me open in the indicator. Let's see what this indicator says about ETH. Well, I'm just testing this indicator out. It's not perfect. It's not the perfect thing yet, but we will make it perfect. You entered at 2075. Okay, bro. That was a very good entry, my friend. But you are a swing trader, so you must be trading on 1 hour or something. Yeah, that's a very good entry, my friend. We have already seen higher lows after this change of character. Well, it's obviously gonna go retest and take up the liquidity. Maybe we have some FVGs that have been made in the process of this downfall. Oh, this could be considered as an FVG. So what are you targeting, bro? What price, what take profit are you targeting on ETH? Where's the fucking rectangle tool? Yeah, where's the fucking rectangle tool? Yeah, man, I think the price should definitely go up to this FVG and take up liquidity because it came down too fast, and FVGs are basically unresolved business between buyers and sellers. So it's gonna go back to take up the liquidity and sort the business between sort the resolve the unresolved business between buyers and sellers. That's a good call, my friend. So how long you been trading? You seem experienced. I still feel it can break down to 0.75, 250, 2050, then bounce back. So I'm keeping an eye for a quick break, even then enter at 2050. Okay. Well, FVG, my friend, I've drawn this plausible FVG. So according to what I see, it could be at this level, as you can see here. So we see this impulse candle, and then we see, well, it should have taken this liquidity. Maybe it will take it now. I don't know. Well, yeah, this is a plausible FVG. It might come back, rise up to this level. Okay, so you only trade crypto, bro. You don't trade gold. You don't trade silver. Did you make a lot of money on gold? Did you long gold or did you short it just at the top? Oh, this indicator suggested us to buy at this candle. Okay, let me see, brother. Let me adjust the screen here. Oh, how the fuck should I adjust the screen, man? Let me just. Okay. Okay, so you only trade crypto. You're used to the high of the crypto, the volatility that crypto gives, yeah? But recently gold is also giving some crazy liquidity, I mean crazy volatility. I mean and it has given more volatility than BTC, to be honest with you. So yeah, I think it's definitely gonna go up. That's what this indicator is suggesting me. A 1 hour chart suggested us to buy, although I didn't buy. You showed BTC out. Did you short out that? Oh, let me just go back to my BTC thing, my bias. I had my own BTC bias, brother. Okay. I shorted here, man. This FVG at 9.6 something. So you shorted out 84900, okay. 84900. You shorted somewhere here. Ah, that's good, man. So you got lucky. You didn't have any strategy there. But yeah, there was there was some confluences like this was a bearish channel, as you can see. Also, it took the liquidity from fair value gap, a bearish channel breakout, and then this death cross. So yeah, but taking an entry is different from revisiting revisiting the chart. You know, there's a difference between making decisions in real time, no matter how strong confluences you have. So that was a good move, my friend. How much did you make on that? Yeah, man. BT short was great. I was testing out this FVG strategy, so I saw this perfect opportunity right here, and I just put my limit order just around middle of the FVG. I put one limit order at this level on the start of the zone, and then in the middle, and then another on the top. The top one didn't get executed, but these two got executed, and yeah, well, I didn't invest much because that was a long term move, and I sold it around. I think I sold it around this price here somewhere. The thing with these retest moves is that they're very slow. When you try to capture these retest moves, it takes a lot of time. I mean, retest means, whenever it falls, then it goes back to retest these bigger EMAs. Let's see what this indicator fucker is saying. Oh, it's still saying buy. Oh, it's on the ETH. So you're from Pakistan, man. How's things in Pakistan? How's crypto in Pakistan? Is it easy to trade crypto? Do they charge heavy taxes on crypto? Obviously they do. That's why you came to Dubai. I guess. I'm assuming. BTC, USDT. Well, $5,000 is a decent money, my friend. Congratulations, bruv. So you just trade structures. You just look at higher highs, higher lows, and you enter. And you trade on 1 hour chart. So do you also look at, on higher time frames? Okay, so you are born in Dubai. Oh, okay, okay. Dubai is a great place, man. I was in Dubai sometime in 2022. It's a hell of a place. You fall in love with the city, you know. Fast cars, high-rise buildings. Definitely a very good city. Oh, zoom, 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 zoom. Where am I? ETH. So what price are you? So what are your technical says about BTC and ETH move up can hold up to? Well, on ETH, I have to do some analysis here, brother. I haven't looked at the chart to be honest with you. We can look at 4 hour chart. Okay, we have this order block on 4 hour chart on ETH. Hmm. Interesting, interesting. That's very basic, yeah. But basic is what always works. You know what I'm saying? And if it's working for you, brother, then it's good. So my friend on ETH, I on 4 hour chart I see this order block. So it could so happen that it goes up to this order block and then goes back again to this level here. So this order block is basically a supply zone. There's a lot of sellers here because the price sharply fell. So this becomes the supply zone. So generally people trade this strategy. This strategy is basically whenever the price comes back to the order block, they're going to short it again and take up that move. But that doesn't mean it's only going to go down. It could so happen it can again, go up and break this supply zone and then go up again. Well, because there's one FVG here on daily chart, which could act as a magnet, because FVGs act as magnets, so it could very well go up to this level, 2,550, or at least the lower zone 2,400. You predict 2,190 can be possibly easily on ETH to reach if it doesn't break 2,070. Okay. 2190, yeah? Yeah, man. It can go, it will, I think, go to that level easily. For BTC, John says, for BTC, I'm waiting for it to cross the 71,400, as I feel that's my resistance zone. Let me look at BTC again, my brother. Let me open my own chart here. Yeah, that's also my resistance zone, because that's where the support was. So now support has turned into resistance. I hope that's the same analysis you're doing, Mr. John. So yeah, I mean, if it breaks, I would wait for it to break this zone. Yeah, somewhere on the price. Same for me. If it breaks that resistance zone, then yeah, it can continue to go up. Well, nevertheless, we can still long it, because it's it is going to touch that EMA, or go up to retrace back to this EMA. So you can very well capture this move. I've taken a long, not a very big one, but let's see. So were you from my friend John? John? Okay, you're from India. Good, mom. But if we look at long-term view, you called that other day in TG. You run a TG channel, bro? That's good. But also, if we consider the long-term view, we have the next support somewhere around 55 or 56, 57, 58 somewhere. We have to consider this. It seems like a strong support. Telegram channel, yeah. That's good, Mom. I'm also running my own Telegram channel. You join my channel, I'll join your channel. What's your channel, bro? I'll join it. Damn. Let's just turn this okay. Maybe we can also draw some Fibonacci here, eh? I think we should expect the price to go up to 77-ish. If it breaks it, I mean, if it breaks it in the process, it can go to 77, a Fibonacci level. I think it's gonna break it, bro. It's gonna break it because this move was too sharp. It will go up to take up liquidity. Let's see what this indicator says on a daily chart of BTC. Oh, this fucker says buy. There's an order block, it says. Okay. This is the order block. Wow. That formed back in 2024 October. Wow. This could be a very good buy position. Is that high for it to break it? Well, about liquidity, my friend, I'm not sure. I mean, it might step in at the right time. Liquidity can come anytime, I think. Oh my god, I'm shuffling through all these tabs, man. This is so confusing. What the fuck am I doing? Okay. We can also. Okay, Irfan says, let's see in 8 minutes. We should wait for the 15 minutes candle to close. If it closes above the price, then good to go for BTC and ETH. Okay. Just asking my thoughts out. Yeah, bro, it's all right. This is a free world. This is a free, free world, and free speech is uh, you know, pervasive in this world. I am just very new to trading, so just mixed with a lot of questions. Yeah, man, you should have questions. Questions arise from curiosity. You have curiosity to learn, hence you will keep on learning. Keep asking questions, and we live in the age of internet, the age of information, where information is everywhere. So this is the best time to ask questions. I even used to ask Claude and ChatGPT. Once I did my analysis, I used to copy the screenshot and paste it in the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, what do they think about it? So yeah, man, keep asking questions. Yeah. What the fuck? So Irfan says if the candle closes, the 15 minutes candle closes above the EMA, that's what you mean, my friend, Irfan? That's when you think it's gonna go up. Tick, tick, tick. Don't you think we should wait for this break of structure? I think if it breaks the structure here and makes a higher high above this price, 7161, then I think it should go cross this resistance zone. Oh, Irfan says, bro, trend line is getting broken on 2 hour time frame of ETH. Oops, that can be tricky. Let's see. On ETH, what the fuck's happening on ETH? Where the fuck is ETH gone, lad? What the fuck? Okay. USDE. 2 hour time frame, yeah. Yeah, as on 15-minute EMA of 20 and 50 will be to down move if the price closes down. Okay. So that's for the BTC. That's what we mean for the BTC, yeah. Seems like it's going to close above the EMA. So, what kind of trend line are you looking at, brother? Oh, the trend line that I can see is, I don't see a trend line here, bruv. Maybe this. This what you mean? Yeah, mum. Seems like it's being broken. But don't you think, as long as it stays above this 50 EMA, oh sorry, 20 EMA, well, you trade 50, yeah. Let me turn it to 50 for yeah. Oh, okay. It could result in a downward move. But because there's another confluence we can take from here, my friend. So one of the confluence we can take is that this bearish FVG got invalidated. This right here. Now, once an bearish FVG is invalidated, I mean, it should have touched it and went down, but it didn't. It crossed it, invalidated it, disrespected it. Basically, that is a sign that price is going to go up. So I would say, where's your stop loss at, man? Irfan, where did you put your stop loss? This indicator also says it's bullish. I don't know why it shows an order block, a demand zone here. It's taking this as a demand zone. 15 minutes candle. Break even at 2075. Okay. Here exactly you bought it 2075. Okay. Okay. 20 EMA has to close above 50 EMA on 15 minutes chart. Yeah, man. Yep. So you mean this big impulse candle should close above the 50 EMA? Hopefully it keeps booming up. Yeah, Mr. John is supporting here. He's supporting you, my brother Irfan. Okay. Not the candle, but the 20 EMA itself should close above 50 EMA. I think this is a pattern, man. I used to trade this pattern. I don't know what you call this. Let me see. Patterns. Trading. Damn. So this is what it seems like, brother. Rising wedge. Oh, where is it gone? Is this a fucking rising wedge? Yeah, oh, okay, no. The price should come from below. Well, it comes from above. Man, it could be bearish. Yeah, you're saying the trend line is acting as resistance, yeah. Let's look at 5 minutes. Well, it was a change of character right here. So it could change, man. There's still hope. It broke the previous high. So this could be a change of character. But still you have your stop loss at break even, so don't worry. The main thing is about capital protection, and you have sorted that out. As long as you are not losing, it's fine. But you should not lose. If you don't make, that's fine. So my strategy, my psychological strategy is all about, not losing. Or when I go into the markets, I don't think how much I can make. I think how much I can lose. You know what I'm saying? So when you think about, is this like in combat, in boxing? So when you go into the ring, you're boxing, you always think about defense. You always think about how can I save myself from the punches, and that's how you become impregnable. That's how you become victorious. So just like that, I always think about how much loss can I take in a day, rather than how much I can make in a day. Okay. Irfan says time to quick short for scalping if EMA closing doesn't happen. It's above 50 EMA, hopefully. Yeah, man. Yeah, breaking even is a win, brother. As long as you don't lose, it's a win. It seems it's gonna, on 5 minutes, it's gonna come down. Because it seems like a dodgy. My small position on BTC is running good. Oh, this seems like a rising wedge. But here I would say that it's a bearish sign. Well, this is for the downtrend, so this could not. So, Blue, what do you say when can it be a clear bullish trend? A clear bullish trend, yeah? Let me think, bro. You asked me a question, I have to give my best to give my bias. This is daily. Boom, 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 boom. I look for FVGs, my friend. I'm gonna look for FVG here on a daily chart. Well, according to me, bruv, according to me, yeah, it's gonna come back to this level. And it would be, retracing back to this zone and maybe retest one of the EMAs. And then go down again. That's what it seems. See, if it breaks this 4-hour bearish FVG, if it invalidates it, then I think it's a very strong sign for it to go up. I would say a very strong uptrend would happen when it completely ignores or invalidates this 4-hour bearish FVG. And also, yeah, that's what I think, man. And also we need some, candles closing above the 200 EMA. So first I'm going to look for this cross invalidation of this 4-hour bearish FVG, and then I'm going to look for a candle to close above the 200 EMA. So that's where I think it's going to go up. Well, that's a very long-term view, yeah. That's gonna take days. Then maybe look at 1 hour to take some swing trades, because you're a swing trader. Let me ask. 15 minutes EMA looks nice now. It has closed above 15. Yeah. Okay, you're talking about 15 minutes, brother. Let me jump back to 15 minutes. It has closed above the trend line. Okay. But there's a wick that I can see on this 15 minutes that close above the trend line. So this wick basically it says there is a bit of selling pressure. So it could go down from here. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. I could have invested more, man. I could have invested $1,000, but I only invested $100. But yeah, that's fine. I'm just warming up. Aha, yeah, you're right about the bullish structure. Yeah, man. It's just a prediction, just analysis. Doesn't say anything about what's gonna happen. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. We all keep drawing lines and angles on the fucking screen. Um, Seems it's gonna go up, my friend. Well, it hasn't done that change of character yet, because I believe change of character happens when the candle closes above the previous high. Okay, so Irfan says, for bullish, I'm assuming to first price should clear last higher low. It should clear last higher low. This is on one daily chart or what? Yep, I hope it breaks. It doesn't look good. I feel like it gonna hit around 70,000 again before it pumps. Okay, so Irfan is talking about ETH and John is talking about BTC. These guys have their own separate predictions for two different pairs, yeah? Irfan says it has to clear the last higher low. Let's look at that. ETH on daily. Okay. Oh, that's fine, brother. It's on 4 hour frame, okay? Two one five five. Okay. This is what you mean 2155, yeah? So Jonas was saying, hope it breaks. It doesn't look good. I feel like it's gonna go hit 70,000 again before it pumps. There has to be some magnet. I see some magnets on daily chart for it to go up. Okay, you mean 2 hour frame to see a clear 2155 higher low. I will take a look at it, brother. It's going to break the resistance zone. Because it already touched the support at around 60. I mean, that's the support level here of liquidity lies here. Well, if you can also draw an order block here, my friend, then this could act as a major resistance. So it could so happen the price may just go, up, down for a while in this zone. This is the resistance. Once it crosses it, it goes up, comes back, retests, goes up, comes back. Then maybe it breaks this fair value gap, goes up to the order block, takes up the liquidity, and then falls back again. So on ETH, 2 hour time frame. Yeah, my friend Irfan, I'm live daily The time is generally around, let me see. The time is not fixed, man. What time do you trade? I generally go live around 3 p.m. Dubai time. Dubai time, 3:45 or 3 p.m. around, and I go live for about 2 hours, sometimes 3, sometimes 4, depends. So okay, so you trade when London closes, 8 to 9 p.m. Dubai. Okay, and I can do a live stream at that time as well, no problem. I can do live stream whenever I want. Yeah, I can do even in the middle of the night. It depends. If the market is interesting, then I'll come live. No problem. ETH on 15 minutes. Well, my friend, this indicator says you should buy. So another confluence here that you are holding the right pair, and you should not sell. Oh, okay. Okay, that's good. London is getting to close in last hour, and New York, which basically brings volatility, is helping with the average volatility. So I see plenty of time to take decisions. And so you take your decision while London is about to close, and then enter when the New York opens to grab the liquidity and move. So sorry, grab the volatility and move. Yeah, man. I think I'll join you tomorrow. Let's trade together at this time and see how your strategy works. Let's explore. I'm always exploring new strategies. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to keep up with your technical too. But only the trend line of 2 hour break has happened. Is to be cleared too, I assume. Mm. 100%, man. Always looking for fellow traders to trade with, because I'm building this community, as I told, of traders, and I think it creates a lot of synergy, and synergy is required to, to keep to persevere and to keep going up. And once we trade as community, as brothers, I think we can achieve greatness. My Telegram brother. So, bro, you can, if you're on your computer, you can scan the QR code on the bottom right of the screen, or you can find it in the description box. Let me send you in the chat box. Here's my TG channel. I can also give you my DM. Let me see my DM. So this is my DM brother on Telegram, and that is my community. Okay, thanks for joining, man. Send me hi. Let me send you hi. I must see you and my subscribers. I can see you, my friend. You're from. Hey, man. But yeah, man, your setup looks good. I think 2 hour is this candle is doing good so far. Thanks for joining, bro. Thanks for joining. So yeah, man, I think you should keep holding your position anyways. We are at break even, stop loss, so nothing to lose. What about BTC? Your opening position on BTC as well? Come on, man. No volatility in the market, it seems. The ATR is at 1... Oh, it's 4 hour. Oh my god. Okay, man, Irfan, I'll talk to you tomorrow then, brother. I'll join your London, New York session tomorrow. Good luck till then, and keep making profits. I'll see you in the next one, brother. Bye for now.